Hey, it's cold and sunny out here in Atlanta. But look, man, what we got going on today, man? I'm about to go check out another car that was towed in. This is actually a minivan. Actually, the Chrysler Pacifica. Y'all know that car came out in 18. So we got the 2018 and the 2019. But it's on the tow truck, and they can't get it out of gear, man. So I just did a video on this, on how to get that 200 go into shift override, where you can put it in neutral, and so you'll be able to move it. Why do tow truck drivers not have some type of training to where they'll know these things, man? They damaging these cars, pulling them up the hill with the wheel, or pulling them up on the ramp with the wheel in the lock position. It's real simple, people, on how to get your car into neutral. All cars with a rotary shifter, electronic rotary shifters, have to have a way to put the car into neutral. I think it's the law. Don't quote me on that, but it should be. It was common sense to the car manufacturer. You should be able to put your car in neutral in the event your car is dead, because that rotary shifter is electronically controlled, meaning you have to have 12 volts to it, some power to it. Now, if the car has no power to it, how would that feature work? It won't. So you have to have a way to put the car into gear or into neutral to move. Now, I'm coming up on this minivan. I'm finna use the override system so we can get it. It's on the tow truck. Let me turn the camera around now. All right, this is the van. I am out here. Let's go inside. Like I say, if your power supply is down, there is an emergency right here. This cover right here. Hopefully you got some fingernails. You can pry open this cover. So get that up. And this is it right here, ladies and gentlemen. Simply pull this cord that will override the shifter, okay? Because keep in mind, this is a rotary electronic shifter. If there's no power supply, it will not work. Nothing will work. But I have to get it in the shop. So what I'm gonna do is utilize the emergency shift override. Simply pull on this, but do not pull on it unless you're on the brake, because you will roll like that. So now I can get somebody behind me and pull the car. So it's that simple, people. That's all the tow truck driver had to do. My problem is, or my thinking is, they didn't know. All right, they didn't know how to get to it. So I don't want this video to be long. So this is the emergency shift override for 2017, 2018, 2019 Chrysler Pacifica, the new style minivan. These are some nice vans, but you know, unfortunately everything is going electronic. So when there's no power supply, the electronics will not work. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.